Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add gaming business leads to Google Sheets. So here our objective is that whenever we get new Facebook lead for my gaming business in Facebook lead ads, then I want to capture these lead details and I want to add these details automatically in my Google Sheet. For this, I will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I will use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and here we have my Facebook page of my gaming business and it is named as Gamecraft. And to promote this, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now to manage this, I want to keep a record of all my leads. For that, I want to capture these lead details and I want to add these automatically in my Google Sheet so that it will save my time and energy. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new lead from my Facebook lead ads, then I want to add these details in Google Sheets automatically. For this, I will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. So for this, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I will click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Here we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here we have to name our workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to add gaming business leads to Google Sheets. And I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home and I will click on Create. And it will take us to the most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first and here our trigger application will be Facebook lead ad. So I will search for that. I will select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. So for that, I will open this tab and this new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I will select this and I will connect Facebook lead ads with Google Sheet. So for this, I will click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. I will connect with Facebook lead ads. Now I will click on Continue to give access to my account. And my connection is successful. Here we have two options, page and lead gen form. So for this, let's go to Facebook. So this is my Facebook page and it is named as Gamecraft. And for the lead gen form, I will open this. Here I will go to Meta Business Suite. And here I will go to All Tools. And I will find this instant forms. So I will open this. And here we have this one form which is named as New Lead Form. So this is my lead gen form. We have these details here, full name, email and the phone number. And this is how my form look like. So I will close this. And I will map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. So my page is Gamecraft and my lead gen form is New Lead Form. So I will select this. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test to Kit button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So I will click on Save and Send Test to Kit button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, I will use Meta for Developer. So I will open Meta for Developer. Here I will go to more. I will open this tools. And here in the tools, I will use this lead ads RTO debug tool. I'll open this. And here we have page and the form. So my page is Gamecraft and my form is new lead form. So I'm going to preview this form and I'm going to fill dummy details. So for that, I will click here on preview form button. So this is my form and I'm going to fill dummy details here. So full name will be dummy user and the email will be dummyyuser@pabblytunes.com, and I will fill the random phone number. So this will be the random phone number. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So I have submitted this form and I have generated this lead. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have this lead details. So the full name is dummy user and the email is dummyyuser@pabblytunes.com and the phone number is this. So these are the lead details that we have just generated in our Facebook lead ads. So we are going to use these lead details and we are going to add these lead details automatically in our Google Sheet. For that, we will set up our action and I will open this. Here I will search for my action application, which is Google Sheets. I will select this. I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab and add new row will be my action event. So I will click here. I will click on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. I will click on allow to give access to my account. And my connection is successful. And here we have these details. So first let's go to Google Sheet. So my spreadsheet name is Facebook Leads and we have 3 columns here: full name, email and the phone number. And we are using sheet 1. So we are going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go to Pabbly Connect. So my spreadsheet is Facebook Leads. So it is already selected and we are using sheet 1. Now we have full name, email and phone number. So I'm going to map all these details and for that I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tab and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I will click here. I will open this response. So this is my full name. So I will select this. Similarly, I will map the email and the phone number. So I have filled all these details here. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we have this response. So we have added these details automatically in our Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see we have just added this new row in Google Sheet. So the full name is dummy user and the email is dummyyuser@pabblytunes.com and this is the random phone number. So these are the details of the lead that we have generated through Facebook lead ads. Now to check this in the real time, let's go back to Meta for Developer. I will close this. I will delete this lead. And I will preview this form again. And I'm going to fill dummy details again. So my full name will be test user. Email will be testuser@pabblytunes.com and I will give a random phone number. So this is my phone number. I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So my form is submitted. Now we'll go back to Google Sheet. And here we can see we have added this new row. So the full name is test user. Email is testuser@pabblytunes.com and this is the random phone number. So these are the details that we have just added in our Facebook lead ads and we have added these details automatically in our Google Sheet. So let's go to Pabbly Connect. So our integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet is working successfully and we have created this workflow. So let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger and our trigger application was Facebook lead ads and our trigger event was new lead instant. Then we have set up our action and our action application was Google Sheets and our action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. Thank you.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.